where did you come from?
Lily, there's a puppy here.
Tom, it's lost, not ours.
She has left without paying. Stop! Don't move. Come with us.
I was just getting the puppy. Please, I didn't take it. Mum paid.
Your daughter left without paying.
I saw everything. She hasn't stolen anything.
I followed the puppy outside, that's all.
Rules don't care about reasons. The item was unpaid. That's theft.
She followed a puppy, nothing more.
I've called the police. They'll be here.
She is 7 years old.
Dad, the police are coming. Please hurry.
Ben, they've called the police. We need you.
Lily, take your small basket today.
Okay, Mom, I can carry it.
That basket is too small, Lily.
It's the right size for me.
I'll drop you all off before work.
We won't be long.
Call me when you're done, okay?
We'll be back before lunch.
She came back. Good.
Could you reach that tin, please?
I'm management. Ask someone else.
That wasn't very kind of him. I'll find someone to help you.
Thank you, dear. You're very kind.
She's making me look bad. Again.
Here, your favorite chocolate.
Can I really have it, Mom?
Don't open it until we've paid.
I know, Mom. I'll wait.
I can steer this. I've done it before.
Tom, careful.
Lily, stay close. Mom said to.
That man keeps looking at Lily.
Did anyone else hear that?
Hello. Where did you come from?
Lily, there's a puppy here.
Tom, it's lost, not ours. Wait, come back. You'll get hurt.
She has left without paying.
Tom, where is your sister?
She went after the puppy.
Stop! Don't move. Come with us.
I was just getting the puppy. Please, I didn't take it. Mum paid.
Lily! What's happening? Let go of her!
Your daughter left without paying.
I saw everything. She hasn't stolen anything.
I followed the puppy outside, that's all.
Rules don't care about reasons. I've called the police. They'll be here.
She is 7 years old. Tom, phone Dad, right now, okay?
Already doing it.
I know what you did. I watched.
Nobody believes me, though.
I know you didn't do anything wrong.
Dad, the police are coming. Please hurry.
Tell Mom to stay calm. I'm coming now.
The item was unpaid. That's theft.
She followed a puppy, nothing more.
Come here. I won't hurt you.
I was there. That girl helped me first.
This is a legal matter, madam.
Then I'll speak to the police.
Ben, they've called the police. We need you.
Mom, how did the puppy get in?
What do you mean?
That man went to the back first. I saw him. He put the puppy there, on purpose.
Tom, say that again.
Are you both okay? What happened?
Look at Tom. He found something.
I'd like to see your security footage. That's not for the public.
David, it's Ben Watson. I need your help.
He doesn't know the owner. He's bluffing.
Tom, are you sure about this?
I'm sure. I really am. The carrier. They'll see the carrier was opened. Dad, I need you to come with me.
Show me. Show me what you found.
The latch. Look at it.
Good thinking, Tom. Really good thinking. He forgot something important.
The child left with unpaid goods. When did you first notice her?
Officer, I'd like you to see something. The latch only opens from outside.
The animal couldn't open this itself. That proves nothing. Anyone could have unlatched that.
Check the CCTV. It shows everything.
We'll view the footage right now. This system needs the owner's authorization. Contact the owner immediately, please. Mr. Calloway. I wasn't expecting you this morning. Clearly not. Ben, you said this was urgent.
Show Mr. Calloway the photos, Tom.
The child followed a puppy, nothing more. There was no intent here.
She never stole anything.
She never would.
She never did.
Apologize to this child. Right now.
I was following store procedures.
I'm sorry. I handled this very badly.
I forgive you. But please be kinder next time.
That is how it should be done.
For you. Because you were brave today.
I didn't feel very brave.
Biscuit! I've been looking for you.
Can I visit him sometime?
Goodbye, Biscuit. I'm glad you're safe now.
Share one? I'll owe you later.
You always owe me, Tom.
You handled today really well, Lily.
I was scared the whole time.
Good morning. Strange morning. Good morning anyway.
Tea first, then I'll explain to Tom.
Explain what?
I'll use it again next time. For sure.